Orbit sprinkler timer instructions. An Orbit sprinkler timer executes a programmed watering schedule for the installed and connected automatic sprinklers in your lawn and garden. The Orbit sprinkler timer can operate in automatic, semi-automatic or manual fashion. It features multiple programs that allow you to specify more than one watering schedule for your sprinklers. Once your sprinklers and Orbit timer are installed, you need to know how to set up watering times and days on the timer before leaving home for extended periods of time. Push the reset button located in the bottom right corner to clear all previously programmed data if you're programming the Orbit sprinkler timer for the first time. Twist the dial to time/date to set the date. 12 p.m. appears on the display located at the top of the Orbit face with arrows pointing to the day, month, and year. Use the up and down buttons located to the right of the display to adjust the current time, and push enter located below the up and down buttons. Push the up and down buttons to adjust the current year, and push enter. Push the up and down buttons to adjust the current month, and push enter. Twist the dial to start times A to adjust the watering schedule for program A. The display shows an A and a flashing cursor beside cycle start time 1. Use the up and down buttons to set the time you desire and push enter. Continue to set up to 3 more start times. Twist the dial to the station duration A to set the watering duration for program A. The display shows an A in mins. Push the next button located to the left of the dial. Hold the up or down button until the watering duration you desire is displayed. Push next and continue to set water duration times for each start time. Twist the dial to days of the week A to specify watering days. An A appears on the display and the cursor blinks below the days of the week. Push enter to activate a watering day. An arrow appears under the specified day and the cursor moves to the next day of the week. Push next to skip a watering day until all days are programmed. Twist the dial to auto to program a rain delay into the Orbit timer. Push the rain delay button located on the lower left corner to prevent the system from watering for a day. Push the rain delay button again to prolong watering for 2 days and again for 3 days. Push enter to save the delay settings. Twist the dial to off to turn the watering system off.